Hello my beauties and welcome back to my channel. So today I have something very exciting and natural for you girls. So we all suffer from all types of skin infections and imperfections. So to cure all that, pimples, acne and any sorts of burns or marks, I have a nice DIY remedy for you. So today I'm going to teach you how to make aloe vera gel and use it as a face pack at home. So if you want to see how to do this, just keep on watching my video. And if you'd like to see more such natural and DIY videos which I'll make for you, please do not forget to just subscribe to my channel. And so for the DIY, you will need a stem of aloe vera. So I have a plant in my place and I just pluck the stem from there. And you will also need your regular kitchen knife for this, and to just pour in the gel you will need a small glass bowl like this. And so that you can store this aloe vera gel in your fridge for a longer time, you will need a small plastic box like this. Any box which is available at your home and it's small and convenient to store in the fridge can be used for this DIY. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. So we begin by cutting the stem. So what I am doing is I am taking just measuring it with the help of my index finger, and what I'll do is I'll slice the stem from here. If you want, you can also slice some like even smaller sections, but this is more convenient for me. So I'll slice it like this. Just go on with the knife, and if you are 18 years or below, please do this under adult supervision. Just slice it nicely. You can also wear gloves while doing this. And so you can see that there are thorns like this on the sides, on both the sides, and we do not want these thorns. So what I'll do is that I'll take my knife like this and I'll slowly remove these thorns just in one go. And we do not want all those thorns. So the same step I'll repeat on the second edge as well. And you want to make sure that your aloe vera is like white in color, the sap, because the yellow colored sap is like poisonous for you. So make sure you check that. So now what we'll do is that we will remove the top layer of the stem. So to do this, what we'll do is that we will slice this uppermost part of the aloe vera leaf, and we'll take out the thinnest layer possible. So for that I'm just using my knife, and what I'll do is that I'll just poke it from here and I'll begin slicing. So make sure you're taking out the thinnest section possible, because we'll be extracting the gel from the section below. So after doing this, we'll get the main stem from which we will extract the aloe vera gel out of the video. Now we will extract the aloe vera gel from this stem. So to do this, what I'll do is that I will just place the knife in an angle with the stem of the aloe vera, and I'll slowly begin scraping the gel. Let's just see how I'm doing this. Very slowly and gently I'll begin scraping the gel. So the gel is slowly being extracted. So the thinner you want the gel to be, the more lightly you should just scrape off the stem. And let me tell you friends, this aloe vera gel is really very beneficial to the skin and any sorts of imperfections to the skin. So I have extracted almost half of this stem, and I have about 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel in this bowl, as you can see here. And I'll repeat the same procedure on the other half of the stem. And please be careful that you do not hurt yourself, and don't just begin with applying a lot of pressure on the stem, because you may end up piercing your skin or finger. So just make sure that you apply very gentle strokes and extract all of the aloe vera goodness. So as you can see, I have extracted all this gel from this part of the stem, and I've got about half a bowl of. What you can do is that if you want to increase the shelf life of this aloe vera gel, you can also mix apple cider vinegar with it. And for the exact measurements of mixing the aloe vera gel and the apple cider vinegar, everything will be mentioned in the description box. So what I will do is that I'll take a container like this. It's a small teeny tiny plastic container, and I'll just pour out the aloe vera gel from the container into the container from the bowl, and I'll apply it whenever I need, and I'll just store it in the fridge. And for everything related to the shelf life and what all to mix for various skin types, everything will be mentioned in the description box, so feel free to open the description box. And also this gel is suitable for every skin type, so you can apply it if you have oily skin, combination skin, dry skin, and this gel will cure any sort of problem which you have. So make sure that you DIY this aloe vera gel at your home. And now you know what I'm doing. I'm just applying that remaining aloe vera gel on my face. That is how much I like it. And you should DIY this at your home, and please send me a picture or a tweet saying like you have DIY this aloe vera gel. And please follow me on all my social media handles. I also have a giveaway which is going on my channel, so make sure that you participate in the giveaway. And that's all about the DIY aloe vera video. Just you can put the lid on and apply this overnight or any time of the day you want, and make pimples sap away in just seconds. So if you like this video, please do not forget to just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you very soon. Bye beauties.